Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your subscriptions on your Nintendo Switch. So if you want to go ahead and cancel it or go ahead and get another subscription, this is easy to do. So just on home screen, let's go up to our page. So I'm going to go to Timothy's page. Select that. Then we want to scroll on down under here until we get to user settings. Go to the right and scroll on down. Past your Nintendo account information and go to where it says check your subscription. Then under here, we can go ahead and view all our available subscriptions on our Nintendo Switch. So this one will be for Nintendo Switch Online. Otherwise, we can review the game vouchers below. So we can go to membership options. Select that. Now, if we do have a membership, we should be able to cancel that out under this section as well. Otherwise, we can purchase a new membership. You can redeem a code right there. And it's giving you information about the automatic renewal. You should have that turned on. It says turning off the automatic renewal. You can cancel the subscription by turning off automatic renewal in the subscription center. Okay, so you should be able to go ahead and just cancel that out as well. So when you buy something, it's going to automatically be turned on. So you're going to want to go ahead and turn it off. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.